Hello fetuses and my name is the Mysterious Six. Today we will wreck some towers for no reason cause after the revenge on the prison we must destroy Roblox games. Now if you ask me, I personally think this game is kinda cringe. Cause look at this 12-year-old tryharding. She must be a so tryhard. Alright, time to finally wreck some towers. Bro, what how is
The absolute fucking shell. I will tell the chances at 0.
Cojo, now watch this. Destroyed. Bro, this tryhard. Okay then. If they don't allow me to wreck them in game, I will do it in real life.